In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Wix not opening. If you're trying to visit your website builder on Wix and it's simply not loading, don't worry. We're going to walk through a few steps that often resolve this common problem. Let's begin by addressing a potential issue with your browser. The first thing you need to do is open your browser settings. This can typically be done by clicking on the three vertical dots, often found in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once you've done that, a menu will open with various options. You're going to look for the settings menu, which will allow you to delve deeper into the workings of your browser. Within settings, the next thing to find is the option for clearing browsing data. This is an important step because sometimes cached data and cookies can cause websites to load improperly or not load at all. Browsing data includes your browser history, cached images and files, as well as cookies and other site data. These files are usually stored to make your browsing experience faster, but can sometimes cause issues if corrupted or if there is an unexpected conflict with a website like Wix. Find the section that talks about clearing these data elements. You should see an option to choose what time range you want to delete this data from. It's generally best to select all time to ensure that any potential interfering data is cleared away. Once you've made sure that you've selected browsing data, cookies, and cache, go ahead and clear the data. Keep in mind, this might log you out of most websites, so you'll have to log back in later. After clearing your browsing data, it's time to close your browser completely. Doing this ensures that any lingering processes are ended completely. Now go ahead and open your browser again. Once it's up and running, attempt to access Wix. If everything has been done correctly and there aren't any other underlying issues, your Wix site should load up happily this time. If you find that the issue persists after these steps, it might be a good idea to check if your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can sometimes fail to load newer website features properly. Always make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. And there you have it. By simply clearing your browsing data, you often solve the issue of Wix not opening. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and feel free to check out our channel for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.